Medications, therapies, surgeries, treatments help us heal. In this video, we'll explore essential words related to medical treatments with clear definitions, real-world examples, and engaging images. Let's learn the vocabulary of healing and recovery. Intervention as noun. A deliberate action taken to address or prevent a problem, often in a professional or organized capacity. The act or process of interfering or getting involved in a situation, especially to modify or improve its outcome. Family interventions are often necessary to address issues of addiction or dysfunction. The teacher's intervention helped the struggling student improve their academic performance. The therapist recommended early intervention for the child's developmental delay. The government's intervention in the economy aimed to stabilize prices and promote growth. International interventions are sometimes necessary to resolve conflicts and maintain peace. Therapy is noun. A systematic process of intervention aimed at improving or restoring health and well-being. Treatment intended to relieve or heal a disorder or ailment, whether physical, mental, or emotional. Animal-assisted therapy involves interactions with animals to promote emotional and physical healing in individuals with various conditions. Family therapy focuses on improving communication and resolving conflicts within family systems. Physical therapy is often recommended for patients recovering from injuries or surgeries to regain mobility and strength. Music therapy can help individuals manage stress, express emotions, and improve overall well-being through musical activities. Cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, is widely used to treat various mental health conditions such as depression and anxiety. Palliative as noun. A form of medical care or treatment aimed at relieving pain, discomfort, or symptoms associated with a serious illness or condition, without necessarily curing the underlying disease. Something that alleviates or mitigates suffering or distress, providing comfort or relief to those who are experiencing physical or emotional discomfort. Music therapy is often used as a palliative intervention to soothe patients undergoing chemotherapy. Pain medication can provide palliative relief for individuals suffering from severe headaches or migraines. Massage therapy can serve as a palliative treatment for chronic pain and muscle tension. The hospice provided palliative care to improve the quality of life for terminally ill patients in their final stages. The counselor offered palliative support to help the grieving family cope with their loss. Massage as noun. The manipulation of muscles and other soft tissues of the body, primarily for the purpose of relaxation, pain relief, and enhancing physical well-being. The rubbing or kneading of parts of the body to stimulate circulation, promote relaxation, or relieve tension. Regular massages can help reduce stress and promote overall health. She booked a deep tissue massage to relieve tension in her shoulders. The athlete receives regular sports massages to prevent injuries and improve performance. The spa offers a variety of massage treatments, including Swedish and hot stone. He enjoys getting a foot massage after a long day of work. Homeopathy as noun. A system of alternative medicine based on the principle that cures in which highly diluted substances that cause symptoms in a healthy person are used to treat similar symptoms in sick individuals. The practice of using highly diluted substances, typically derived from plants, minerals, or animals, to stimulate the body's natural healing process and restore balance. Many people turn to homeopathy for relief from chronic conditions such as allergies, migraines, and arthritis. Homeopathy is often criticized by mainstream medicine for its reliance on diluted remedies with no scientific basis. Supporters of homeopathy argue that its holistic approach addresses the underlying causes of illness rather than just treating symptoms. The principles of homeopathy date back to the late 18th century and were developed by German physician Samuel Hahnemann. Despite its popularity in some circles, homeopathy remains controversial and is not widely accepted by the medical community. Radiation as noun. Energy radiated or transmitted in the form of rays, waves, or particles. The emission or transmission of energy in the form of waves or particles through space or a medium. The radioactive decay of uranium produces gamma radiation. Ultraviolet radiation from the sun can cause skin damage if proper precautions aren't taken. Microwave radiation is used in telecommunications for wireless communication. X-rays are a form of electromagnetic radiation used in medical imaging to visualize the internal structure of the body. Cosmic radiation poses a risk to astronauts during space travel. Rehabilitation as noun. The action of restoring something that has been damaged to its former condition. The process of restoring someone to health or normal life through training and therapy after imprisonment, addiction, or illness. The old building underwent extensive rehabilitation to convert it into a modern office space. The Rehabilitation Center provides therapy and support for individuals recovering from addiction. After surgery, the patient underwent a period of rehabilitation to regain mobility. The city invested in the rehabilitation of historic landmarks to preserve their cultural significance. Wildlife rehabilitation centers care for injured animals until they can be released back into the wild. Acupuncture as noun. A form of alternative medicine that is believed to stimulate the body's natural healing processes. A traditional Chinese medicine technique involving the insertion of thin needles into specific points on the body to relieve pain or treat various conditions. Acupuncture has been practiced for thousands of years and is considered an integral part of traditional Chinese medicine. Acupuncture is often used as a complementary treatment for migraines and headaches. Many people find acupuncture helpful for reducing stress and promoting relaxation. The practitioner explained the principles of acupuncture and the meridian system to the patient before beginning the treatment. She sought relief from chronic back pain through regular sessions of acupuncture. Palliative as adjective. Intended to soothe or mitigate suffering, distress, or discomfort, offering comfort or consolation to those experiencing physical or emotional distress, providing relief or alleviation of pain, discomfort, or symptoms associated with a serious illness or condition, without necessarily curing the underlying disease. The soothing music served as a palliative measure to calm the anxious patient before surgery. The hospice nurse provided palliative treatment to keep the terminally ill patient comfortable in their final days. The counselor offered palliative support to help ease the emotional burden of grief for the bereaved family. The soft blankets and warm tea provided palliative comfort to the elderly resident during their illness. The doctor prescribed palliative care to manage the patient's pain and improve their quality of life. Surgery as noun. A surgical operation or procedure performed by a surgeon or medical team. The branch of medicine that deals with the diagnosis and treatment of injuries, diseases, and other disorders by manual and instrumental means. The practice of performing surgical procedures. After the accident, she required reconstructive surgery to repair the damage to her facial bones. Advances in medical technology have made minimally invasive surgery a preferred option for many patients. The hospital specializes in pediatric surgery, providing specialized care for children with complex medical conditions. The surgery lasted several hours, during which the skilled medical team worked tirelessly to repair the damage. He underwent emergency surgery to remove the tumor and prevent further complications. Medication as noun. A substance used for medical treatment, especially a drug or medicine. The act or process of administering a medicine or drugs. Some people are allergic to certain types of medications. The nurse administered the medication through and for drip. It's important to follow the prescribed dosage instructions when taking medication. She takes medication daily to manage her blood pressure. The doctor prescribed a new medication to alleviate her symptoms. Physical as adjective. Of or relating to the material world, especially as it is perceived through the senses. Relating to the body, especially as opposed to the mind or spirit. He needed physical therapy after the accident to help him regain strength and mobility. The physical appearance of the house was important to the buyers, who wanted a property with curb appeal. The physical distance between the two cities made it difficult for them to see each other often. The physical demands of the job included heavy lifting and long periods of standing. Her physical fitness allowed her to run a marathon without stopping. Herbal as adjective. Of or relating to herbs, their cultivation, or their use in cooking, medicine, or other applications. Relating to or made from plants, especially those with medicinal properties. She brewed a soothing herbal tea using chamomile and lavender to help with relaxation. Herbal supplements are popular among those seeking alternative approaches to health and wellness. Traditional Chinese medicine often incorporates herbal remedies to treat various ailments. The skincare product contains natural herbal extracts known for their rejuvenating properties. The herbalist recommended a blend of herbs to alleviate the symptoms of the common cold. Procedure as noun. A series of steps or actions performed in a particular order to achieve a specific outcome. A method or protocol for carrying out a task or activity. The established or customary way of doing something. A standard practice or procedure followed in a particular context or field. Before undergoing surgery, patients are informed about the procedure and its potential risks. Before boarding the plane, passengers must follow the security screening procedure conducted by airport staff. The company has a strict hiring procedure that includes resume screening, interviews, and background checks. The surgical procedure involves disinfecting the area, making an incision, and suturing the wound. The legal procedure for filing a lawsuit involves submitting a complaint, serving the defendant, and attending court hearings. Level up your English. Master vocabulary, idioms, and phrasal verbs with fun quizzes. Translate meanings into 104 languages. Download now. Link in the description. Please like and subscribe to our channel.